Hey everyone, so I'm currently trying out a new AI tool or no-code tool every day of the week, Monday to Friday. With all the AI tools that are flooding the market, I wanted to try them out for myself and see how they could be used. So what I've decided to do is record my learnings about each of these tools and do quick videos that might be useful to you. So I'm going to spend a few hours each day learning how a tool works and then playing around with it, just understanding the different features, and then I'm going to be recording these short videos to give you an overview. Hopefully it's helpful. If it is, please let me know. If there are any other tools you want me to do, let me know as well. So let's jump in. Today I'm looking at Midjourney. If you're not familiar with Midjourney, it is an image generation tool, you could say. So AI image generation, you give it text prompts and it will create images for you. It's actually really easy to use, so let's jump into that. The way Midjourney works is it connects to Discord. Okay, so Discord, I'm sure you're familiar, but if you're not, it's a community platform. It's an alternative to Slack. I don't really use it that much, but I've had to get more into it in order to use Midjourney. So Midjourney has its own server on Discord, where all the different content's posted. I don't know what all of these things are for, to be honest. I've not looked into them in enough detail. But once you sign up to Midjourney, you create an account here. You then go over to Discord, join the server. You need to have a verified Discord account to do that. But then once you've joined the server, you can also add the Midjourney bot to your own server. So I've just have this private server that's just me, and then you can add a bot. And then we're going to create some images. So I just created a new Twitter profile image yesterday. And it is so easy, right? / imagine. Okay. And then it brings up this prompt box. So we could say a duck with Tyrannosaurus legs. Let's just give it something surreal. I'm wearing a bowler hat. See how well it does with this. You want to keep the prompts as concise as possible. Okay, then it waits to start. It does take a minute or so to process. While that's working, I'll explain how. Here we go. It's going. So you can start to see the AI images being created. It then gives you these options. So this is one that I did earlier, and it gives you 4 different possibilities to choose from. You've got this option to regenerate the image, or the U stands for upscale, so you can upscale the image, and the V stands for variation, so you can do a variation of one of the 4. So let's do it with this one. So that's a duck. It doesn't have T-Rex legs. Anyway, let's have a look. So that's technically not a bowler hat as well. That's a top hat. So anyway, so this is image 1, image 2, image 3, and image 4. So say we want to go with, I think I like image 1 the best. So you can upscale that, and then it will create a large version of that image. Boom. So that's pretty cool actually. Let's go for another one. You can then also make variations of that image, which the variations are fairly slight. I've found it doesn't make a radically different version. Is very close to the original so far anyway, from my findings. Shall we do one more? Okay, let's go for, you can also do some other things like blending 2 images together, but let's just do one more. Imagine alright, I just paused the video. So I did a new prompt, The Lord of the Rings with pigs. I seem to be on a farm theme this morning. Okay. Let's go for this one. So this time we'll do a variation of one. That will generate another one. I'll pause the video. Alright, here are the variations. So that's the first image. The variations, as you see, they're all fairly close to the original one. Slight variations. Then you can choose to upscale one of those as well. So I have used this on the blog. So this is the No Code Founders blog. So these three are actual real images, and these two are Midjourney images. So I was able to create something that is exactly what I was looking for, and it looks pretty much as real as these ones. So this is a use case that's going to be really helpful for me. So I am absolutely loving Midjourney. I would love to know your thoughts. Have you used Midjourney? What do you think? What are you using it for? How can you see this changing the world?